Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. Now, this unboxing is actually going to be for this Logitech Chorus right here. This is over the ear, so, and of course this is for the MetaQuest 2. Now, I do have a MetaQuest 2 that I've technically rarely use, but I found this on sale, so I was like, you know what? It's like, I mean, might as well just grab it and just have it available before there's no more, Quest 2, products that, they get discontinued and now everything's going to the Quest 3. So nonetheless, let me go ahead and do the quick unboxing and then we'll just go ahead and be doing an installation. Most likely, I'll just go ahead and probably just check out the sound quality and try to figure out, how good it is. So nonetheless, let me go right ahead and do this unboxing. So let's go right ahead and basically see what we get. Let's see. How does this open up? Ah, there we go. Nonetheless, we do have some instructions right here. So from the looks of it, it just slides into place right here. And from the looks of it, you could go right ahead and basically secure the cable that goes from the left to the right speaker. It auto mutes, which is good. You don't have to worry about that, which is awesome. Just lift it up and that's it. And from the looks of it, it also has a way that you can actually charge it while you have the USB Type-C connected. So that is pretty cool. As well as for this example, it's like if you do have a battery pack, you can right hand connect it as well. Well, let's take a look. Got some paperwork here. Doesn't look anything too exciting here. And of course, here we have the product itself. So there it is. Nothing really too exciting. It's like Type-C cable right here. You can see it, and then of course we have this one as well. All right, cool deal. So let me go ahead and basically grab my Quest 2 and let's go ahead and install this. Alrighty, so from the looks of it, all I gotta do is just let me go ahead and basically do this first. I think I don't have to remove it. I could just leave it open. So this is gonna be the right side. So let's go ahead and slide this in. There we go. And then we move on to the left one. Yeah, there it is. So slides in just like that. At this point, let's go ahead and secure this cable so it's not in the way. There it is. That's how it looks. USB Type-C, of course, just slides in. So there we go. And it's in. Alrighty, so one of the things I want to check before we move on to the audio is how would it fit with this carrying case right here? I honestly do think that, I'm going to have to be either removing this whenever I'm traveling about or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what happens. So I believe here, let me bring this down. And yeah, so it's gonna get in the way for sure. So I would have to technically remove it and then store it if you are going to be traveling with this. Luckily, to disassemble, it's not that hard. Basically just slides out. This one just I should say here just be careful with the USB Type-C connector right here. Just make sure it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. Luckily, it looks like you can actually move it out of the way and just slide it off. And there we go. So we just put that there. Let's see. How does this go? I think this goes like that. And to tell you the truth, I think we're probably gonna, are we gonna have enough room for this? Let's see. Let's see if we are. Let's see. All right, let's see if I place it there. Will it close? Yeah, it'll close. So there we go. So they'll actually fit. Unfortunately, not on the headset, but you can go right ahead and basically disassemble it. All right. Well, let's go ahead and basically, let me go ahead and take all this out of here. And then we could go right ahead and test out the audio and see how it sounds. Alrighty, so I'm in one of my videos. I'm in one of my live streams right now. So let me see if how it sounds. I believe right now it's at max volume right now. So let's take a listen. So here, I don't know if the mic can actually pick it up. Let me go ahead and take this out. It's like, I don't know if you can hear that right there. And then of course, let's say it's playing, right? So let's go right ahead and basically here, I want to show it on there. So let me go ahead and basically just bring this up and it's muted. It's like the video is still playing. So if I bring this down, if I bring these down, oh, I got disconnected. But yeah, so you get it. It's like basically, we're able to go right ahead and just mute it by lifting this up. So that feature actually works, and then just basically just bringing it back down whenever you're ready to actually hear audio. Now, one thing actually I need to check out is what would happen if I only bring one of these down. So let me go ahead and try that out right now. Let's see what happens. All right, so there we are. So we're muted, right? So let me see if I just bring this one down. I'm still muted. It's like I still can't hear anything. So does that mean that this one has to be down as well? Oh, interesting. So it mutes it when it's all the way up, but as soon as you slide it down, it unmutes it. So most likely, I presume that this side is going to be the same way. That it's like if this is down, it's muted, because this is all up, and then when I bring it down, it unmutes it. Okay, cool. Well, that's pretty cool little feature that you could go right ahead and keep an ear open just in case if you have people around you or anything like that, and you're not too immersed on the actual gameplay or whatever you're doing in VR. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that is the end of this video. Overall, it's like, not too bad. I think I paid for this product. I think it was probably like $30, I think, in total. Overall, not bad. I was really debating. I was like, do I really need it? It's like, do I really need it? But the more that I was looking at it, it's like, look, man, it's like the accessories are eventually going to be discontinued for this model. So might as well, it's on sale, might as well just jump on it. So that's what I did. But nonetheless, everybody, I really do appreciate every single one of you, and we will catch you on the next video. See ya.